The stabilization unit induces a state of reduced metabolic activity. Cryogenic cooling vents emit controlled
foods. An automated caliper system confirms the 60-centimeter length of the stabilized viper, ensuring consistency.
Ensuring no contaminants can enter the collection vessel, critical for the high-purity Atheris Squamigera Venom.
After the initial fixation, the hides are automatically lifted from the first set of vats by gantry cranes and
After emerging from the drying tunnel, each 60-centimeter hide passes beneath a laser measurement array, confirming
Large stainless steel tanks are filled with a deep forest green aniline dye solution, meticulously formulated to
Process A complete. Unique scale texture leather Model A-L40. Production finalized and stored.
The cart moves quickly through the pristine laboratory corridors, maintaining a precise, low temperature to prevent.
The robotic micropipette aspirates the supernatant. This high-purity Atheris Squamigera Venom extract.
The supernatant liquid is slowly introduced at the top of the column, allowing the various venom protein components to separate based on their chemical properties.
Mass spec confirms the 15 kilodalton protein. Purity is 98%.
Excellent. That meets the pharmaceutical threshold.
The measured powder is transferred to a precision mixing station where it is dissolved into a sterile, stabilizing buffer solution.
The high-purity Atheris Squamigera Venom protein extract enters the automated sterile bottling line, where robotic arms ensure.
The amber glass vial moves to a hermetic sealing station, where a rubber stopper and aluminum exit. The high-speed labeling machine affixes the Atheris Protein Lot Series label. An optical
The high-purity Atheris Squamigera Venom extract is automatically loaded into specialized cryogenic trays.
Okay, carefully now, watch the temperature. Got it, transferring to the cart.
Temperature log stable at negative 190 Celsius. Seals intact. Verified. Cold chain secured. Proceed to lab.
Ensure the spectrophotometer is calibrated for the venom protein concentration.
Already done. The readings look consistent.
Look at the high purity of the venom protein interaction.
This consistency is exactly what we needed for the pharmaceutical trials.
Atheris protein lot XXXX confirmed. ultra-low temperature maintained for long-term storage.
As you can see, the in vitro results confirm the efficacy of the high-purity Atheris Squamigera venom protein extract.